Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Continuing with our celebration of Heroclix Avengers 60th anniversary. And for this video, we're going to look at the dice and token pack. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Heroclix Avengers 60th anniversary game accessories, specifically the dice and token pack. And as you can see here in front, we have the 6 Avengers: Captain America, Black Panther, Iron Man, Thor, Hulk, Black Widow, and the 2 special anniversary dice. So that's exactly the contents for this particular package. What you see is what you get. So let's go ahead and open it and see the other side of the dice. Other side of the tokens rather. So let's try to open it as carefully as we can. Oops. There you go. So in the cardboard, we can see other Avengers like Doctor Strange and a comic book panel, I guess. Okay. This would be Captain Marvel, classic costume, I guess. Anyway, let's put that on the side and see who we got at the back of the tokens. So for Captain America, we have War Machine. Okay, so again, it's a good addition to make the bystanders included in the dice and token pack. So this one, I think this is generated by one of the chases, if I'm not mistaken, Black Skull. For Black Panther, we have Zombie. Okay, so I think this is generated by Morgan Le Fay, super rare. Okay. Let's see. Next, we have for Iron Man, another War Machine. Okay. Let's look at the dial. 4 sidestep, energy explosion, toughness, and 1 damage. 4 range with the Masters of Evil. Team ability, and he's a giant. Okay, you can see the giant symbol is a bit tilted. Okay, it's not straight, which is a bit weird. For Thor, we have another zombie. Okay, so let's take a look at the zombies. 4 sidestep, movement, 9 attack, 16 toughness, defense, and mystics. That's the most important, for 2 damage. Excuse me. For Hulk, oh, we have Tippy. Tippy is hypersonic speed, 11 precision strike, 16 super senses with 1 damage. And this is generated by the legacy card Squirrel Girl, which we got in our Brick Break. So very useful for us. And we got finally Red Hulk for Black Widow. Ooh, 10 charge, 11 attack poison, 18 defense impervious with 3 damage outwit. I think this is generated by the legacy Thunderbolt Ross. Okay, so those are the 6 bystanders that we got for this particular pack. Now let's take a look at the dice and token dice set. You can see 1, 2, 3. Where's the 3? 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So the 60th represents 6 sixes. Okay, very fitting as this is the 60th anniversary. Okay, so let's do a quick play test of the dice. We're looking for higher than 6, 7 up. We'll roll it 5 times, and you can put in the comments how many times you'll roll 7 or higher. First roll is 9. It's 1. Second roll is 10. Third roll is 7. Fourth roll is 5. And the last roll is... Oops, sorry. Let's re-roll that. The last roll is 5. Okay, so we got 3 out of 5, 7 or higher. That's good. Okay, so just like how good the set is, the dice and token pack is here. So that's the end of this short video. Make sure to get these game accessories when you look for Avengers 60th in your local game store and in Heroclix WizKids store online. Bye bye!